In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove devices connected to your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. After that, tap at these three lines to go to Settings and Activity, and then tap at Account Center. Once the Account Center is open, tap at Password and Security. That's where we need to tap at where you are logged in. On the next step, select your Instagram account. And here in this list, it will show you all the devices connected to your Instagram account. Currently here I got just one device, which is my current iPhone 15 Pro. However, if you have logged in your Instagram account from multiple devices, you'll be able to find all of them here in this list. Unfortunately, we cannot remove current device from here. Let me show you another account. I'm gonna use Facebook app now to demonstrate you how it works. On Instagram account, it will work in the same way. Here, as you can see, I got three different devices, and then if we wanna remove some device from here, we need to tap at Select Devices to log out. And after that, we'll be taken to the page where we can, in this way, select one or several devices, or by hitting at select all devices to log out from all of them at once. And then all you have to do is just hit right here at this button to remove all selected devices connected to your Instagram account at once. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.